Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you one of the best photo editing application and how to edit your photos with this great application like this. Let's start. First, let's download this application. If your device is Android, open Play Store, or if your device is Apple, go to App Store. Then search Peachy. Download and install this application. After that, open the application. In this step, choose Ask App Not to Track. Then select Continue. In the first step, for example, I want to whiten the teeth in my photo, so tap on Gallery. Then choose Allow Access to all photos. Let me choose this photo. And finally, go to Retouch section. After that, tap on Whiten. Then drag your finger to the teeth. Select Done. That's it. Now let's go to the second step. I want to make up this beautiful girl completely and also get a tattoo. First, go to Retouch section. Then tap on Smoother. Amazing! In this step, let's add lipstick. Choose any color you like. Wow! Now I want to make background more blur. Let's add some tattoo. And adding text here. Finally, tap on download icon. Very fast and simple. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in the next video.